Employees in your organization work on various enterprise systems. They scan through multiple unstructured or semi-structured data, process it, massage it, correct it, and feed it into the enterprise system for further processing. The volume of such data is increasing day by day. They are expected to meet the organizational goal and customer demand through manual business processes. With the advent of mobility and digital marketing, enterprises are witnessing a manifold increase in transactions, leading to high pressure on employees, while inefficient processes are proven to be the biggest bottleneck to meet this demand. On top of that, scaling the manual workforce is also a challenge since the unemployment rate is reaching 4%. Quickly onboarding and training human resource has its own challenges. The productivity and efficiency of employees are generally paralyzed with inefficient, complex, and over a period overloaded processes. Cost of operations or back office operations is growing up drastically. Manual processes are error-prone and accuracy remains a task. Many unintentional irregularities due to manual process inefficiencies are caught during compliance audits, leading to penalties. Your enterprise is exposed to operational risk that may attract penalties, customer attrition, etc. Many enterprises have tried to address this challenge by automating the process by either pointing or through a generic solution. One solution fit for all to overcome process paralysis is RPA. This is a proven technology to automate high volume and highly repeatable manual tasks. To add human intelligence, RPA is augmented with cognitive capabilities through AI ML. Many IT service providers claim to deliver custom-built RPA and AI ML solutions as per requirements, but implementation of RPA for every process is started from scratch, or in other words, the wheel is often reinvented. Such implementations might appear to deliver high efficiencies, but the cost of ownership is always under question, and that hurts perceived ROI. Solutions that lack design or architectural maturity can cause instability in production since many corner conditions which lead to achieving 100% accuracy might not be covered. Sometimes lack of appropriate handling of error and logging capabilities cause compliance issues. All such inconsistencies finally result in high operational risk. To address C-level executives' objectives, a new and more systematic implementation approach is required, be it Chief Financial Officer, Chief Information Officer, Information Security Officer, Head of HR, Chief of Marketing, Customer Service or Customer Operations, CEO, where core focus is on growth through minimizing operational risk, improving productivity, 100% compliance, and efficient reporting and data insights. In Jade Global, we bring the right RPA technology solution augmented with the right AI ML capabilities. However, with our vast capability and depth in implementing RPA and AI ML solutions across industry verticals, we understand the importance of engaging the right sets of process specialists from core functional expertise, built over 19 plus years of experience across different industries. And on top of that, we also bring a technology agnostic framework powered by reusable assets. This framework caters to common problems faced during and after implementation through its logging and error handling capabilities, console for manual intervention, etc. And the outcome is process efficiencies, lower cost of ownership, a stable system that ensures accuracy, a solution that is already provisioned to address all compliance needs. Last but not the least, operation risks are mitigated significantly. Since RPA solution is primarily about solving functional problems with people on the ground who are participating in the execution of that process. Hence, it is very critical that between the technology team and business user, there must be a strong bridge to address gaps. Jade Global has been serving its customers across industry verticals like high-tech semicon, healthcare, pharma, retail, manufacturing, automotive, etc. implementing and maintaining enterprise systems like Oracle EBS, Oracle Cloud ERP, NetSuite, Workday, SAP, SuccessFactors, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Microsoft, etc. Such expertise gives Jade an edge to execute RPA projects efficiently. For any RPA project in your enterprise, Jade ensures to employ the right set of functional experts through the entire implementation cycle. Our functional experts get involved at an early stage of engagement to understand your policies, guidelines, right candidate processes for automation, related SLAs, and more, and do a complete ROI analysis to get stakeholders buy-in. Post-identification of processes, functional experts help you define a roadmap of implementation to ensure minimal business impact due to any failure. Functional experts continuously interact with business users in your organization to understand the as-is process and define to-be process recommendations. To-be process recommendation is presented to stakeholders in your organization to get buy-in. Once agreement on process flow happens, functional experts convert requirements into technical specs, engage the development team to build the solution, demonstrate the solution to business users for feedback, and roll out the solution and change management. A business process in any enterprise is all about human workforce, primarily dealing with unstructured, semi-structured data and feeding it into enterprise systems. Other implementations in the market of RPA just bring in RPA technology and start addressing automation needs with a pointed solution specific to the process. In Jade, we have outlined a technology-agnostic framework that defines the responsibility of each technology component, taking away the need to build architecture or design from scratch. This framework is powered by reusable assets and capabilities that Jade has developed from learning over various RPA implementations. For example, the Jade template engine takes care of standard document or semi-unstructured templates to quickly meet the need of high-volume transactions, while the console is the place that can log, retrial, error handling, human intervention, and more. This technology framework is further controlled and powered through our Center of Excellence, functional expertise, and other reusable assets specific to business processes. With a vast experience and through our technological expertise, we will help you realize higher ROI for your RPA program by executing RPA projects up to 30% faster through our framework and accelerators. Achieve higher compliance and consistency with pre-built robust error handling framework, segregating business exception and technical exception, and redirecting to the right set of teams. Enable human and bot interactions for business exceptions to achieve higher level of accuracy. Addressing reporting and analytics requirements through built-in logging capabilities. Thank you.